இந்த படத்தை மியூசிக்கால கெடுக்கலாம். Because music தப்பா போட்டோம்னா I think எழுந்து போயிடும் இந்த மாதிரி. So if somebody is having an emotion on screen, the characters are an emotion, and constantly have to check whether I'm over preempting the emotion or adding too much to what he's doing or countering it. Countering it is what I wanted to try in this one. If somebody is crying, I should not be crying too. Then be too much. So I should be almost like a hugging, embrace, mother-like character in music. Sometimes, as I said, it's a more divine character. And actually I scored this 3 times. I scored it and they took it for festival, showing it. Then I saw it, I didn't like it. Then I changed many portions. And I also evolved with initially it was, I know how to do it. And then I said, no, I did it all wrong. So I went back to him and said, please take it away, I'm going to do it again. So I think the score past 3-4 months of evolved. And some of the places I had to fight and said, please don't put that music, I'm going to change that. He said, no, I like the previous one, no, please, trust me. So what we have now is what I think we all kind of like.
Sir, first person told that after watching Maman, you told him to stop doing such kind of negative characters. So when it's come to Aadijintham, is there anything you like to tell Raju Ettan after watching his performance?
Raju Ettan didn't do anything. He's an all-rounder. I told to Fahad because I've not watched many of Fahad's movie because I know him as a person. When he came to meet me, that's when you're such a good person, why you are acting such cruel roles? So it was just a fun remark. And Priti, I think, is evolved so much. I've worked on Ravanan, I've worked on Kavya Talivan, and all of them are very heavily demanding roles. And in this you should see, I don't want to say much, just watch.
ഇവിടെ എനിക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് തോന്നിയൊരു കാര്യമുണ്ട്. ഈ സിനിമയുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ സീനുകൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഒരു പരന്ന മരുഭൂമി ആദ്യമായി കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഞാനത് വരികളിൽ അവിടെ സ്വർഗത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഒരു സംഗീതം ഭൂമിയിലേക്ക് അരിച്ചിറങ്ങുന്നത് പോലെ ഞാൻ സാറിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞത് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. എനിക്ക് അവിടെ എവിടെയോ ഒരു ദൂരത്തു നിന്ന് ഒരു സ്വർഗീയ സംഗീതം താഴേക്ക് പൊഴിഞ്ഞിറങ്ങുന്ന പോലെ അതാണ് ഇന്നലെ നിങ്ങളെങ്കിലൊക്കെ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായ ഒരു തീം മ്യൂസിക്കിനകത്ത്